So welcome to our Tableau demo. I'm Anthony Zhang. I'm a Snowflake data engineer here at KCM Solutions. Today we're going to go over using Tableau and Snowflake. So to recap what we did previously, we had this trips data and this weather data that was a JSON format. We loaded the trips data, all this data here from an AWS bucket. So I loaded all this data, the 1.6 million rows, around 2 gigabytes. We loaded this JSON data and we made it a view so it's easier for us to use. So to connect Tableau to Snowflake first, we just need this ODBC connector. We add this DSN that has Snowflake, and we should be good to go. So I'll go here to Tableau, and I'll go connect to a server. So right now I can see Snowflake. So I'll just click that. I have this in my Snowflake account. I just enter my login details. And here, we're connected to Snowflake. So let's say we want to recreate this demo where we had the weather and the amount of trips. So we would need the JSON data, both the data, right? So first, we would go to the warehouse. We would take our city bike data. I'll drag my trips table here. And then I need to add another source. So I need another database here because the weather data is in a separate database. Here I just need to enter the login info to my Snowflake account. Grab my weather data. And then I'll use my view, my JSON. Just drag it here. So now we're creating a join. So last time we used a left outer join based on start time, observation time. Again, we should have join now. So now we'll have one whole table combined with the trips and the joint JSON weather data, so we can use that now. So I've already prepared this table here. So I just drag the sum. I just summed all the bike trips and the weather data. And if we go to our dashboard, we can see, once again, this trend that clear data is most popular and days with bad weather. It's rare that someone wants to take a ride. As you can see, we did all this, loading this JSON data and this trips data with almost zero ETL. All I had to do was just do a left outer join, and I had all this data available to me right away. This is all directly from Snowflake. I didn't have to load anything manually. It's already loaded into Snowflake, and I just did a simple join to get both the data. So here, I recreated a similar dashboards as we had previously. So for this is just the trend of the trips. As you can see, once again, every time it gets slightly colder, we have less riders. And then I also added a prediction so we can see what the trend will be. As you can see, it's projected that there will be more riders, and it'll have the same trend through each quarter where it gets cooler. Right here, the trip duration, you see that people take longer trips when it's cooler, when it's warmer, excuse me, and when it's cooler, there are shorter trips. And here, just created another bar graph right here, and then we have busiest days. As we can see, it seems that commutes are the most popular use for these bikes, as Monday to Friday are most popular, and Sunday and Saturday are the least. And then, as we can see once again from our previous demo, Saturday and Sunday have the longest. As people maybe use this for leisure, and these are mostly just commute times. The cool thing here we can do with Snowflake and Tableau here is we can do a map. So I just used the station's latitude, longitude, and then I did the color. So there's a little color code here. So it means green means we get more riders, red means less, and I can also add all these little details. So if you hover over every dot, you'll see which station it is, how popular it is. So I summarize all this into one dashboard right here. So as you can see here, there's a quick query. We load all the data instantly from Snowflake. And these are just all the quick trip statistics that I want to take a look at. And then right here, this is the map data that we've loaded. So a cool thing we can do here is, let's say I just want to focus on a particular area. Let's just restart it. So we'll reset the map. So as you can see here, let's say I want to zoom in a little. So I'll just zoom in slightly here on these more populated areas. So I'll take a closer look. Then maybe I can see there's all these green dots. And I'll take a closer look. I can also easily just sum. What do we see in here? You can see, oh, there's around this area, there's around 1.5 million trips. Maybe we can do something with this info. And I can do that for the rest of this map. I can add extra markers if I like. So this is just something very basic we can do with the map and the density of this whole place. So to recap what we did, we've connected our data from Snowflake. So this trips data and this JSON weather data. And all I had to do was log in with the ODBC connector. And I was able to just pull the data straight from Snowflake with zero ETL. I just did a simple left join like we did previously. And I was able to create both these dashboards. One here using the weather data and the trips data as the join table. And here, all these various dashboards just using Snowflake. Here I created the same with Tableau's projected and estimated feature. And here I created an interactive map to see which places are most dense, which popular. It's interactive as well with all the proper labels. So that concludes our Tableau demo. If you'd like to learn more, please email us at info@kcm-solutions.com or visit www.kcm-solutions.com. Thank you.